Can you play in here? Let me see. Can you play catch? It's roomy. Catch. All right, let's play. Just got our dog corral here, and it's a little lighter than the usual ones because it has like finer mesh, so you can use this for really large dogs because if you guys could see, it covers a lot of the ground. Now, one great thing is that you can use this also for chickens. It's a great option to have if you have any kind of roosters, chickens, because this thing is high. Also other animals, goats, pretty much anything. It's a nice corral. It's really tall, and there's one door and here's the other door, right? So there's two doors. We're gonna set this up right now and see how it works and how it looks, right? Check this out. So this cage is huge. My dog is a tall dog, all right, and he is petite compared to this. Look at this. He wants to play inside. That's what he wants to do. There's plenty of room for dog movements in there. Of course, you can throw it in there, and then you can lock them in there. The wife's coming in. Keep the dog separated is a perfect companion for it. You guys can see that. This thing is massively big and it's sturdy. It comes with these ends that you can't penetrate through. But look at these guys inside. So as you can see, if you ever want to train dogs and keep the other dogs away, this is a perfect training pen too also. Not just to keep them contained in one area, but you can also have them to train. And of course, there's two doors. I end up choosing to get the locks inside from the back in case I ever want to come out early. I put the locks in the front, so you can flip it over. It's dog proof perfectly for them. So they can stay in here until you train them. Or if you want to keep them retained in a certain area, this is a perfect way. Now, if you're having a festive, a party or something, this is something you can have. So now, all we got to do is open it up. You could keep them in there if you want, optional, which we're going to keep them in here and we lock it in. This guy's a tall dog. He jumps high too. But this is perfect for any kind of type of dog that you have, small or big. And I'm going to show you something else. Larger, stronger animals, this is the tie downs that you could tie every single one of them up, even sturdier, making it stronger. So that's another option you have, which I didn't need it in this case, but this is perfect. Now this guy, he's already trained to go inside. As soon as I tell him that there's a cookie inside, he'll run in.